In this question, we need to make n the subject of the formula. So to isolate n, it's being trapped, right? Let's see what is trapping n at the moment, right? So we have the a that is trapping the n. We have the d that is trapping the n, and we have -1 which is trapping the n. So all those guys must move. Which one is going to move first? I hope you guessed right. A must move first. Why? Because it is adding and is not part of the bracket. So we're going to have Tn. If you check, A was an addition. Remember, it's a plus here. So on this side is going to be a subtraction. Equals to positive d, of which we don't show. So we're just going to say d and -1. Next, we need to remove d. We cannot remove -1 because it's inside the bracket. What is inside the bracket, we remove at the end. So we need to remove d. Let's remove d. So we're going to say divide both sides by d because d was multiplying here. So we neutralize multiplication by division. So this will cancel that. So we have Tn minus a over d is equals to n minus 1. And then we need to neutralize the -1. How are we going to neutralize the -1? We do that by adding. So we have Tn minus a over d plus 1 equals to n. And indeed, n is being isolated. I hope it makes sense, ladies and gentlemen. Common mistake alert. Learners often forget to add the +1 at the end. Please, you must almost always remember that you are almost home. Just don't leave your +1 cousin behind. And this marks the end of the video, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and recommend our YouTube channel to family and friends. Let more Seguru Army come and join as we fight the lack of mathematics knowledge in this nation. Thank you very much. Tango.